Oh, look at that. I got the foam. I got my gloves. Pink gloves, huh? Sweet. What'd you tell me it was, Joe?
Save the tatas.
Save the tatas. Okay. So, our box is glued down. Now what you want to do before you start foaming, make sure that those cars go through that box with no problem. No problem. Alright. Doesn't want to hit the sides or anything. Alright, we got our gloves on, we got our glasses on. Extremely dangerous. Okay. Kids, don't do this without your parents. Go get dad, go get mom. It's, Mom, I'm foaming. You gotta be there. Okay. Alright. You can get this foam about anywhere. Cheapest place I found it, I can't say that, is your bigger discount store. I think I paid $2.50 for it. Alright. So here we go. Mom! Oh, Joe's here. Okay. So what you're going to do, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. Now over here, you don't want to trigger it so hard, okay? Just kind of build it up. Okay, we're going to do that over here. Too much. Now if it gets close to your track, got the pinkies on, just kind of pull it away. See that? That could have been on my finger. Alright. Show you on this side. Whoa. Okay. We're going to do some building up here. Don't worry about how it looks, 'cause that's all going to change. Plus with the box, look how much foam you save. Hey, building on a budget. Alright, so you can see how you're going to do your sides. But, all right. You got your first layer of foam down. You don't want to keep building too far up because it'll kind of collapse on itself. And then it's not going to look like a mountain. It's going to look like a foam turd. But let that sit overnight. See? It's just not coming out as strong as it did. Alright. Well, Joe's going to run to the store and get another can of foam. So at least buy yourself 2 or 3 cans of foam. But like I said, you got to let this sit overnight. So we're going to let that sit overnight. And I just got dive bombed. But let that sit overnight. Let it sit up. Like I said, don't worry about it. If it's getting close to the track, Joe, zoom in. Getting close to the track, you can either swoosh it away like you did over here, or wait until it hardens and use a knife. I really don't like using a knife because that's like too straight of an edge. I like using my finger. Sculpture. Let your artistic juices flow. Okay, we're just going to kind of pull that away. Look, there's a boulder already. That'll look pretty slick. Alright, till tomorrow, folks.